Brian here, and in this video we are going to go through the different types of exercise. Alright, let's roll! The first type of exercise is cardiorespiratory or aerobic exercise, which in general is any type of exercise that raises your heartbeat. Your respiratory and cardiovascular systems work together to deliver oxygen you breathe in to all parts of your body, and doing regular cardio exercise sessions strengthens both of these systems and many of the organs in these systems. There are different types of cardio exercise, and they're usually based on heart rate and exertion. Steady state cardio is keeping a constant pace for a specific distance or duration, such as walking or jogging. Even performing everyday tasks such as cleaning the house, walking the dog, or working in the yard can be considered a moderate form of cardio. Interval training is another type of cardio, where you maybe walk for 3 minutes and jog for 30 seconds, repeating this cycle for a specific time period. Circuit training can also be a form of cardio, combining some strength exercises with cardio-based exercises. For instance, 4 exercises: side-to-side hops, side dumbbell raises, lunges, and push-ups. You can take short rests between the exercises or do the complete circuit and take a rest and then do the circuit again. And more advanced athletes can do HIIT or high-intensity interval training. An example of this would be to maybe sprint for 20 seconds, then walk for 20 seconds, and repeat this cycle for say 8 bouts. This would be a 1-to-1 ratio, and the ratio can be changed as many athletes do a 2-to-1 ratio, sprinting for 30 seconds, then walking for 15 seconds. The next type of exercise is strength or resistance training, which in general is any type of exercise that requires a muscle or group of muscles to exert force. Resistance training can help improve strength, stamina, increase bone density, improve sleep, and it can also make many everyday tasks easier, such as climbing upstairs or carrying groceries into the house. There are many different types of ways to perform strength training exercises. You can use free weights such as dumbbells, which are very efficient as they allow for a full range of motion and work more stabilizing muscles. Resistance bands are very versatile, as all you need to use them is something to wrap them around, which in many cases can be your own body. Bands are great at providing what is called progressive resistance, which means they provide an increase in resistance throughout the range of motion of the exercise. Exercise machines provide another way to do resistance training. Most of these machines are based on a cable pulley system to provide the resistance. Body weight exercises are another way to perform resistance training. In these type of exercises, your body is providing resistance against gravity. There are many other ways to perform strength training exercises, such as with medicine balls, suspension trainers, and exercise balls. Flexibility exercises are the stretching of muscles and tendons to improve joint range of motion and physical function. There are many types of stretches to improve flexibility, with the 2 most popular being static stretches and dynamic stretches. Static stretches consist of slow movements into a peak position, then holding that position. Dynamic stretches is moving parts of the body through a full range of motion while slowly increasing the reach or speed of the movement. The next type of exercise is balance training. Having good balance can help to prevent falls and injuries, improve neuromuscular connections, improve athletic performance, and make many everyday movements easier. There are 3 main types of balance: stationary balance, motion balance, and offset balance. Stationary balance is when your body is not in motion, so standing still on both feet requires balance. Doing alternating movements like alternating curls or side raises, or single leg exercises such as standing on one foot and holding the other foot off the ground, or even doing single leg arm curls can help improve stationary balance. Motion balance is exactly what it sounds like: the ability to balance yourself during movement. A great example of this is lunges. Doing a front lunge where you step forward, or especially a back lunge where you step backwards, requires a great deal of balance and coordination. Box or platform jumps are another movement that requires balance as you stick the landing. Offset balance is where one side of your body holds a weight, or each side of your body holds a different amount of weight. So doing a single arm side raise is an offset balance exercise, or doing a lunge while holding a dumbbell on one side of your body is a combination of offset and motion balance. The next type of exercise is coordinated movements, which is the ability to use different parts of the body together smoothly and efficiently. Using your hands and foot to drive a car, or walking and scrolling through your phone are a couple examples of coordinated movements. A few exercises to improve coordination include tossing a ball against a wall and catching it as it returns to you, dribbling a basketball while jogging and alternating hands, kicking a ball against a wall and stopping it as it returns to you, doing jumping lunges, alternating feet, and you can even combine strength training movements like doing a squat to an arm curl to a shoulder press, or a bent over row to a kickback to help improve coordination. Both balance and coordination are neuromotor exercises that really strengthen your ability to move easier and more efficiently.